Wish you all a very cheerful morning. Here is your topic, tenses. So we are going to study one by one, present tense, past tense, and then future tense. Okay, so let's start. Without further ado, present tense. We can divide the present tense into four parts, that is simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So now you can see the formula or the rule. In simple present, what you have to do, you have to frame the sentence with subject plus verb plus a verb's first form, and if he, she, it, and singular noun is at the place of subject, then you have to put s or yes along with the verb's first form. Like you could see in the example, he works, she plays, he goes. Okay, or particular name, you can take it proper pronoun, like any name you can put. Okay, Ram, Shyam goes, sings, studies, writes, like that. Next is present continuous. In present continuous, subject plus is MR and plus verbs first form plus ing. Going, working, doing, like that. So I'm working, she's working, they are working. So this is the use of is MR in different subjects and different pronouns. Now next is present perfect. In present perfect, you have to keep it in your mind that you will always see verbs third form. So subject plus has, have plus verbs third form. So subject is in the same rule what you did in the simple present. Along with he, she, it, and singular noun, you have to use has. Along with I, you, we, they, and plural nouns, you have to use have. Okay, so see the example, I have worked and they have worked. Okay, it is not the, it is they have worked, right? Present perfect continuous, subject plus has, have plus been plus verb plus ing. I have been working and we have been working. Okay, so next move on the past tense. In past tense, again there is the same formula. You have to use simple past. In simple past, there is a subject plus verbs, a second form, like I worked. For that, you have to, one thing you need to do for doing this particular chapter, you have to memorize verbs first form, second form, and third form. You have to make a command, a set of verbs you have to take and you have to prepare, which is frequently in daily use. Okay, so this way, I worked, they worked, he worked, she worked. So you need not to worry, you need not to be confused, because there is only second form. Always in simple past, always second form of the verb will be used. Next is past continuous, subject plus was and were plus verbs ing form. So I was working, they were working. They are actually taking the same examples so that you can correlate it well, that how in all the 12 tenses, how the same example is changing. This is the best way to learn tenses, because if you are taking the same example, then you can change the transformations. Okay, past perfect. In past perfect, subject plus had plus verbs third form. So this is, I must say one thing, that the past tense is the best and simplest, because in simple you will have to use second form. In present continuous, ing plus was and were, only two helping verbs are there. And in past perfect also there is one helping verb, had. You need not to confuse like present tense, because in that s or yes you need to use is, mr is there, then have and has is there. So it is a bit confusing. But here everything is, everywhere you will find, in most of the cases you will find only single helping verb. Okay, so this way, I had worked, they had worked. So now the last one is this one is of past tenses, past perfect continuous. In that you will you have to keep it in mind, wherever the continuous is, you will always get ing form, verbs ing form. Okay, subject plus had plus been plus verbs ing form. Okay, next slide. Next is of future tense. In simple future, you will find that subject plus will plus verbs first form. I will work, she will work, they will work, he will work, whatever you can put. Next is future continuous tense. In that, subject plus will plus be plus verbs ing form. So I will be working, they will be working, like that. Future perfect. Next is future perfect. In future perfect, again third form you could see in the sentence, subject plus will plus have plus verbs third form. I will have worked, they will have worked. Okay, the last tense is type of tense is future perfect continuous. So for that, again, subject plus will plus have plus been plus verbs first form. So I will have been working, they will have been working, she will have been working, you will have been working, whatever you can put the pronoun as per your requirement. Okay, so next slide, you will see the examples one by one, and for that I need not to explain too much because time is the big constraint and very limited time. So you can, after reading the rules and formulas, you can put all the examples and see here one by one. You would see the examples in the form of affirmative, negative and interrogative, because there is a change. Like, I believe in God, I do not believe in God. Okay, so here you are learning the use of do and does, and also how to frame the interrogative sentence with the help of helping verb. Okay, so one example we will see. Do you believe in God? This is here. You could see that with the help of helping verb we are framing the interrogative sentences. Now, does is there. As I mentioned, does is used with he, she, it and singular nouns. So he does not believe in God. Does he believe in God? Once you are framing as an interrogative. Now switch to the next slide for the past tense examples. In this you will find that I played chess, I did not play chess. Once you are changing it into negative, then if did is in the sentence, then the form of a verb will be changed into first form. You could correlate it in the affirmative assertive sentence. It was played, but now it is changed into the negative. Did not play. Played was changed into play. So you have to keep it in your mind. This is the very important point to remember it. Did you play chess? Now again, did is there helping verb. Did is there used for changing the sentence into interrogative. Now switch to the next slide for future tense. In future tense, same thing has happened. I will play cricket. I will not play cricket. And will you play cricket? So one by one, rest is your work. You have to practice with correlating with the formulas and the rules which I explained you. Now you have to put the formula on each and every sentence and practice it. So thank you everyone. Keep watching. Your next topic will be active and passive voice, and somebody has sent in the comment section for determiners. So I will prepare that also, but after active and passive. Okay, so till then you have to wait. Thank you once again. Keep watching and keep learning. Okay, this is the only mantra to grow every day. And also you have to put the mantra a little progress every day. Teachers are there. They can open the door, but you must enter it yourself. Okay, so keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day ahead.